Let's start without wasting any time. Just do not skip the video. All steps are important. Let's begin. Now here comes an important part, where we need to fix this issue using command prompt. Click on search. Type CMD. From the search results, right-click on command prompt. Now select Run as administrator. Then select Yes, and it will open command prompt window. Just type CLS to clear the screen. The commands are a little lengthier, so I have made it simple for you. I have created a list. We will copy and paste them from there. So let's quickly open Chrome browser to open list of commands. Now search for hows.tech Windows commands. You might be wondering, how my Chrome is looking so attractive. So the reason is I was actually bored with the normal white Chrome theme. So I installed this extension on my Chrome called Anime Search. If you also want to make your computer a masterpiece, then I am putting the link in the description. So now, click on the first link, which is from hows.tech. You should see commands option on top. Click on that. This is the place where we add necessary commands for the fixes we need. Now from the list, copy this command, to scan all the issues, which is command number 11. Go back to the command prompt and paste the command. Use right click to paste it. And just hit the enter key. This takes some time to complete the process. Now just type CLS, and open the list again. Now, copy command number 12, and execute it. Similarly, execute command number 13 the same way. Now execute the association command, which is command number 14, this will refresh the association between the libraries. Now we will check the issues, and fix the errors. So for that, copy command number 15, and execute it the same way we did. We are good in shape now. It takes a lot of efforts to make just one video like this. I desperately need likes on this video. It's your turn now.